Today, we're diving into a simple guide on how to create, change, add folders, and create shortcuts with bookmarks in Google Chrome. I'll be walking through each step and showing you how. So if you need to pause and go back, or bookmark this page and come back to it later on so you remember. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. And if you got friends you think could use this, share it out to them. So first off, we're going to open up Google Chrome. A lot of people ask me about how to create bookmarks, delete bookmarks, and create folders so they can have categories for all their different bookmarks that they have. So first off, I'm going to go, let's just say, I'm going to go to Facebook because that is one of the number ones I get asked about. Okay. Now, what I want to do is usually people's bar will look like this. So you want to hit these three dots on the right side and come down to bookmarks. And here you can manage all your bookmarks. So what I like to do is show bookmarks bar, and that brings this bar down here. So, for instance, if you want to create a bookmark for Facebook, you would just hit this little star right here that says bookmark this tab. So I would click that, and then a little window pops up, and it says the name of the site and then where it's going or which folder. So we haven't created any folders, so it would just be on the bookmark bar. So we'd hit done, and there we go. We have this link that stays up here, so we can just click on it whenever we want. Now let's say you have different categories of things. So you'd want to create a folder to basically separate all these bookmarks out. So you would say add folder. So you would right click and then add folder. And that's if you're right-handed, not a lefty. It's complete opposite with lefties. You know this, lefties. Okay, so add folder. And here I can name my folder. Just call it Soch. And enter. And there you go. You have a folder. Now if you notice, you have the whole thing right here. So you can create folders inside of folders and everything like that. So just right in the bookmarks bar, puts it right up here on the top. If you need to create one underneath of it, you would go in here and then type in what your next name would be. Let's just call it name and hit save. And then you would have one below there. So from there, if I went to MSN and I wanted to save this one, I would hit that star again and I would figure out where I wanted that. So I'd choose which folder I wanted. So I could put it, let's put it in name, and then done. So if I come over here, go to that folder, go to name, there's my shortcut. It's that easy. Now, if I wanted to move that around and move it up one step, I would just edit it. So it's no longer in that folder. So I right click and then go to edit. And you can change that shortcut around. So if I just want to put it on the main bar, I would just select bookmarks bar and hit save. And I moved it up there. So the next step would be, let's say you've got too many and you need to delete some. Well, it's just the same. It's very simple. Just right click and delete. And that deletes it. And that goes the same for folders. So we can just delete them all. Now let's say we've got the bookmarks all down, figure out how those work. Well, A lot of people ask me about putting a shortcut on the desktop for a website. It's pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do that. It just takes a little bit of patience. So, you find your three dots. You scroll down to More Tools. And then the window that pops up, you'll see a Create Shortcut. And what this does is creates a shortcut on your desktop for this domain you're on. So if I click that, it'll ask you the name, hit create, and then I'm going to do another one. So I'm at Facebook. I would go to the three dots, More Tools, Create Shortcut, change the name if I want to change the name, and create. And then I could close down Chrome, and I've got those shortcuts right on my desktop that I can click. And it takes me right there. That simple. And then if you don't want those shortcuts, just right click and go over to the little trash can or delete. And they're gone. So that's all there is to it. So quick recap. We open up Chrome. We go to our website that we want to put a bookmark for. Hit the star. Change the name if needed. Select the folder if needed. And done. If we want to create a folder, just right click on the bookmarks bar and hit add folder. Type in the name you want, hit enter, and there it is. You can also drag this and drop it right in there. And then if I want to delete, I delete, and all those are gone. If I want to create a shortcut, go for the three dots, More Tools, Create Shortcut, change the name if you like, mine, create, and there it is. You can drag and drop to the trash can if you need to trash it. So that's it. It's very simple, easy to do, and you can bookmark this video and watch it again if you think you'll need it later on. And remember, share it out to your friends. They may find it useful too. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, ideas for more videos, things you want to know about, just leave the comments down below and I will try to get videos up as often as I can. Thanks for watching and have a good one.